Hello students and welcome to our LearnWorlds Learning Management System tutorial where I'll be discussing how you can get access to our online courses through a partner learning management system called LearnWorlds. Now, you can enjoy any of our courses as well through our website. You can purchase them, but if you'd like to do the courses through our partner LearnWorlds, you can as of today. So we have our online course catalog from grammar to writing to business and much more. Our online courses will be able to be taken from week by week, self-paced, as long as you want, in terms of the content we offer. And I give an introductory video here about our online courses, what we offer. And then on our English from A to Z, learnworlds.com, this is our homepage. So you'll get access by signing up, and this is very easy to do. And you can see which ones we offer. For example, we have our course demos for free, so you can register for free. For example, if you wanted to go to English for Reading course demo, which I enrolled in myself as an example, you can see many different courses. And we have our free courses, livelihoods, hospitality, advanced grammar course, 10 different courses in terms of demos. And then once you get past the demos, you have our paid courses. So let's say you wanted to check out our English for Reading course. You can learn a little bit about what you'll be doing and then what's included, how many chapters of the course, how many videos, how many questions, how many assignments. And in this course, you can learn about the topics that you'll cover. I won't go through it word for word, but you'll see exactly. We start with our introduction to the English for Reading course, reading context and techniques, etc. So you can see each week each section what you'll be learning. Some courses have more than others, and then you'll learn a little bit about me, your instructor for the course. In this case, it'll be English for Reading. And let's say you sign up for the demo. You'll click here for continue. This is our English for Reading course demo. And this is part of our overall course, but it's a free offering. Click continue.
And welcome to.
And you'll see my introductory video. And then you'll also see my presentation, which is a course outline, what you'll be learning in this English for Reading course, and that's the intro presentation. I won't get into the next topic, but this is a free offering. The first week is free, which is great, and it has the video, a presentation, and some assignments to do. I'm not going to spoil it for those of you at home, but this is the demo outline, and then you'll see a list of learners. In this case, it's just me, your instructor. But if you want to type messages or interact with the other students in this course, you can. And again, this is just a course demo, but it's free like all the other demos. So after login, you'll be exposed to different courses, other demos, and then you'll have different learning programs. We also offer a complete English grammar mastery bundle that's paid, but you can enroll today, beginner, intermediate, and advanced grammar. And then our professional English mastery course bundle, which has business English, writing in English, and English for hospitality. And that's all through our main course page. And then it's key after login. You'll see how many courses you are enrolled in, how many hours of material, any messages, certificates of completion. And again, it has me as selecting and enrolling in the English for Reading course demo. And you'll get an email. You just need to enter in your email address. Let's say I wanted to register for free for our English through American Culture course demo. All I need to do, and I'm logged in with my name here, register for free, and you're done. You're enrolled. Your enrollment was successful. Start learning right away. But again, you need to set up a profile, which is very easy to do. And now I have two courses: English for Reading course demo, English through American Culture demo, course demo. And once I finish, I'll get some badges. It shows my activities, my likes, my upvotes, and you can see how many courses, how many hours of learning I've done, and other achievements. So again, our demos are free. We have 10 different course demos. So if I want to go to courses pages and I want to type in free, let's say free courses, you can see, let's see how many that we have here. Hold on a second. All right, let's go to free. All right, so there we go. Sorry about that, folks. English for Traveling course demo. English for hospitality, livelihoods, grammar, business, writing, etc. And then we have our 10 free courses. Now, if you wanted to go to the courses that are paid, you can as well. Let me go to all here. Okay, so you'll notice that these are not free. These are our English for Reading course, American Culture course, and many others. So these courses, we have 10 paid courses. To load more, you have to view them. These are all my courses that I've created for you all. They're paid. So these are many weeks. Remember, these courses are self-paced on LearnWorlds, but they have multiple weeks of material at your own pacing. And if you wanted to see what, let's say, the Business English course is about, just go to the individual Business English course page under the English from A to Z school here at LearnWorlds. You'll get to learn a bit about what's included, how this course will help you, and then you get a little preview of what topics will be covered. So over the weeks or sections, let's say, you'll see the many, many different sections, and I'm going to be updating these courses on LearnWorlds as well. So we have a lot of material here for students, and I'm very excited to announce this LearnWorlds partnership. All our courses that I've created, at least, are going to be on LearnWorlds. We'll have more courses to come in the future from other teachers at English from A to Z, and you get to learn a little bit about me, and you'll learn about other instructors as they create their courses. So I'm excited for you to dive in. Again, this is just a course preview, but you'll have access for free to see what each course is about. So if you want to see what our Business English course is about for free, you can watch the video. So
hello, students.
We'll give everybody access to the introduction and the course overview for each of our paid courses as well. But these other ones you won't get access to unless you're the instructor or you paid for the course. And again, you can pay for the course through our website at EnglishFromAtoZ.com, or you can do so through LearnWorlds as well. But either way, you'll be able to learn with us through a very good learning management system. And again, you'll need to... So I signed out right now. You'll need to sign up once you go to our EnglishFromAtoZ.com. You'll be able to see our online course catalog, the course benefits, and then our course offerings, and then our learning programs as well. So if you're ready to get started, just enter in your email. For example, johndoe@gmail.com, something like that. So enter your email for early access. Our team will get in touch with you for a personal onboarding, which we will. And then once you enter your email, just join us now, and you'll be able to sign up for free to look at our courses and enroll for either our free course demos or our paid courses. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always email me. My email address is ben@EnglishFromAtoZ.com. And I look forward to learning with you all soon with our online course catalog, and our teachers will offer, on our team, will be offering courses as well for you to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in one of my online courses with LearnWorlds. Take care, everybody, and bye-bye.